What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up your SIM card and SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Let's go! Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you how to both install your SIM card and SD card onto your Samsung Galaxy. It's super easy. I'll show you how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos that you take from now on automatically save to the SD card rather than the internal storage of the phone. That way you can, free up space on your phone and start using the memory of the SD card. All right, let's jump right into it. So in order to open up the SIM tray, which is on the top left corner of your phone right here, you're going to need the SIM ejector tool, okay? Your phone, if you bought it brand new, comes with one of these. But if not, you can use a paper clip or a thin earring as well. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and first remove the SIM card tray right here. Just push it in the hole. And once it pops out a little bit like that, you can go ahead and remove it and pull it out with your finger. Okay, so here is the SIM card tray. Here's where the SIM card goes. Here is where the micro SD card goes. So let's go ahead and place them in. So micro SD right here, okay, like that. And then the SIM card will go like this. Yep, just like that. Okay, so once you have them both in there, okay, make sure they don't fall out so that, they're properly in there. Okay, then we can go ahead and place the SIM card tray back into the phone. Okay, so push it in gently and give it just a couple seconds for it to read them both. All right, so after a few seconds, if your SIM card is activated, you will receive signal right away. So you should see the reception bars come up and your text messages and data should automatically start working. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to set up the SD card so that the pictures and videos that you take from now on automatically store to the SD card. All right, so how we're going to do this is we're going to open up the camera. Okay, you should get this message when you open up the camera after your phone has read the SD card. So here it says change storage location to the SD card. So here all you got to do is select change. Okay, and now every time you take a picture or video, it's going to save to the SD card. All right, but if you didn't get that message, the other way you could do it is you click the settings wheel up here. Here in settings, we're going to scroll down until we find storage location. Okay, so as you can see, storage location, it says a SD card, since that's what I just selected, but you can go ahead and select it here and find SD card to select it. Okay, once you have SD card selected, just go back and the setting will automatically be saved. All right, so another thing I'll show you is I'll show you how to transfer old pictures and videos to the SD card so that you can remove them from the storage of your Samsung, okay, so that you can free up space. Okay, so how we do this is we're gonna find my files, so scroll up, go over to the Samsung folder, and here you will see my files. Okay, so once you're in my files, you're gonna have the both storages, the internal storage and the SD storage. So we're gonna transfer things from the internal storage of the phone so that we can free it up, and we're gonna transfer it to the SD card. So first select internal storage. Okay, so we're gonna transfer over pictures and videos. That's going to be in the DCIM folder here. So go ahead and select it. And then here, select the camera folder. So as you can see, we have a couple pictures and videos here that we're going to transfer over. You're probably going to have a lot more, obviously. So what we're going to do here is we're going to tap and hold on one of the pictures. And then we're going to just go ahead and select all up here. Okay, so it can automatically select all of them. Okay, once you have them all selected, we're going to select move down here. So move. Okay, and now we're gonna move them to the SD card. So we're gonna select up here, SD card. And I'm gonna create a new folder to keep it organized. So create a new folder. All right, so I'm gonna name it New Galaxy Media. Go ahead and hit create. And we're gonna go ahead and select the new folder I just created so we can transfer everything here. And then now we're just gonna select move here. All right, so there you go. Looks like it moved it over because now we're in the internal storage of the phone. Let's go back. So internal storage, we're gonna go back to the DCIM folder, the camera folder, and as you can see, there are now 0 items here. So essentially we have freed up the space in the internal storage of the phone and transferred it to the SD card. And keep in mind, you could do this with any other type of file type that you want to transfer over, like downloads, music, etc., so that you can free up space on the memory of your phone. All right, everyone, so there you go. That is how you install and set up your SIM card and SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know if it did. And that's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. As always, peace.